I'm a computer engineering student of Federal University of Technology, Minna. I worked as a Python Developer Intern at eHealth for Everyone for a period of about 5 months. My expectations when coming into the company were pretty optimistic, but at the same time I had my doubts, because we all know internship students are just used to print out flyers and hand out coffee. But coming into the company, I ended up achieving a whole lot. I was brought into a lot of projects, I helped to maintain some, I also helped to start some of my own. It made a lot of impact on me as a person. It boosted my confidence, because I was made a team leader and I had to search inward. It also helped me to shake off the imposter syndrome I had prior to coming here. Before I came to eHealth, no matter how many projects I took on, I never truly felt like a developer. It also helped me to inculcate the drive to succeed, that drive that runs through the CEO down to every single person at the company. I enjoyed the experience in general. The experience was breathtaking. I got to learn from every single person, and for that I am appreciated. Truly, I can say it, I am an eHealther.
My name is Diretnan Domnan, and eHealth for Everyone made me a Python developer.